Hi guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. I just did a tutorial on the eyes. Today's video, I'm going to be going through some products that I don't use anymore, I dislike, or I just never reach for them. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First thing that I have is this Galactic Eyes palette. I remember when I first started my channel, I picked this up and I thought I could do a lot more with these, but they're more like an eyeshadow topper than like eyeshadows. You can't really make a look with this palette by itself. I see this palette and I'm very uninspired. I don't like it. It's just, I don't like it anymore. So we're getting rid of it. The next palette that I have is the Fantasy palette by BYS. I got this at Hot Topic. It is a rainbow palette. It looks great in the pan. It looks great. Who is bothering me? Unimportant. They have horrible color payoff, and I was so desperate to get a rainbow palette that I was just like, I'll make it work. I'll put a white eyeshadow behind it. It'll work, and it just doesn't. It's very chalky. They're not good. It's just very bad. This is, it's not a bad product, I just never reach for it anymore. This is a Wet n Wild illuminating palette, and I just don't reach for it because it's not the kind of highlight that I'm looking for. I want something with like crazy shine, and this is more like glittery, and I'm not looking for that. I have a blush by Physicians Formula. I don't wear this color blush. I want something a little bit toned down. So yeah, I never reach for it, and I'm not gonna wear it. This was the eyeshadow that I made from mixing all of my eyeshadows together. And I will never use that because it's a gray, silver, brown, ugly color, and I don't want that. Next I have a Velvet Matte Lipstick by NYX. This is so horrid smelling. Like it's so bad. It smells like a doctor's office. It's not comfortable on. It takes a lot to take off. I don't like it. It's not a good lipstick. The next thing I'm getting rid of is this NYX Face and Body Glitter. It's an 11. It's like a purple glitter, and I never reach for it. I have a gold eyeliner from Physicians Formula. Nothing wrong with it. I just don't use gold for eyeliner. And then I have a duo eyeshadow and liner pen by e.l.f. It's just black. I don't like this because it's very, I don't know how to explain it. It's like wet. It doesn't set. This is a Physicians Formula eyeshadow palette. The reason I'm getting rid of this is because there's like a silver top coat, and then underneath it is like a matte shadow that's not too great of quality. I don't like products like that. I feel like they're very deceiving, and you can't really use much with them if they have that overspray on them, so it's kind of like a one-time use kind of deal. This disgusting, horrible product I'm getting rid of. I don't reach for it. I tell myself, oh, I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow topper. I never do. It's like kids makeup. I got it at Burlington. It was a horrible choice. I don't recommend it. This is a Cosmic Glitter palette by Beauty Treats. Don't get it. It's not good. Yes, it is raining outside, so I'm sorry about that. The next thing I have is my Cargo Wanderlust palette. I never reached for it. Nothing wrong with it. Some great neutrals, and then you got that pop of color, that green, and then that purple. So that will be going to a good home. And then last is this Revolution palette. I never reached for it. I already have a neutral palette. This is the Ultra Eyeshadows Affirmation palette. I just never reached for it. Nothing wrong with it. Don't use it. Don't want it. Get out my life. Alright guys, so that was everything. Oh, here's another thing. This is the Lottie London, I said it right, Lottie London Stamp Eyeliner. And it's very deceiving because like it gives you a dull wing. I don't want a dull wing. I want like razor sharp. And for the longest time I felt really self-conscious because I was like, I can't draw a wing, but I'm getting better, I think. So this is me freehanding. So I think it looks good. I don't know. You tell me. It doesn't map out well, so I'm getting rid of it. Okay, guys. So that was my video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like what you see. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye. I have to get the right thumbnail. Goodbye.